This today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can recreate the petal dress on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First of all, you can go to this area and you can wear this corset. Okay, and we're going to change the color like the petal dress color. So I'm going to go to the color wheel and I'm going to show you the color code we need to use to create the petal dress. Okay, you can use this color code. Okay, and I'm going to color them with this color code. Okay, like this, and then we're going to go to the dressing room and I'm going to show you the skirt we can use to create the petal dress. Okay, let's enter the dressing room here. Alright, and I'm going to go to this section and make sure you have purchased this skirt. And we're going to change the toggle. Okay, we can turn off the layer and then we can color it the same. Okay, like this, and I'm going to change the texture. I'm going to make it voile. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay, it looks similar to the petal dress, right? If we look at this dress from far away, it will be similar with the petal dress. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create petal dress on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.